Private credit today has evolved, with high-yield bonds, leveraged loans, and direct lending, which have all reshaped the market. With trillions of dollars moving through the global economy every year, one asset class remains largely absent from structured credit markets and virtually untapped: trade receivables.
Yes, there is a financial dislocation in the way that private credit has been absent from trade receivables. However, things have evolved more recently, and the way private credit has entered trade receivables has been really only through high-value deals. High-value deals in markets such as infrastructure, projects, export finance, and some commodities. And this is a way basically for banks to partner with private credit, or for private credit to address requirements for financing businesses that are not sufficiently financed by banks. But there is more that can be done, but that is far more complex from an operational perspective. This is where technology is a key enabler.
So what's the real impact of this financial dislocation, and why should private debt investors take notice?
Corporates are holding trillions and trillions of trade receivables on their balance sheet, and banks can only serve to a certain degree and help them to provide that liquidity. On the other hand side, you have the structured credit market, which has hardly any trade receivables transactions represented. So this is one of the biggest dislocations in the structured credit market. If you're looking at the mortgage market, you have probably in the US about 2/3 of all mortgages are securitized, whereas in the trade receivable space, it's way less than 1%. Technology is very important to automate the workflow processes such that you can tap into more suppliers in order to also get more granular business, because the more granular the business is, the steeper the discounts you can capture from these suppliers, and the more value you create from an investor perspective.
The gap is clear, but so is the opportunity. So how can technology unlock this market for institutional investors? Stay tuned for our next video to find out more.